Good day, everybody. Kurt with Cruisin Classics here. I just wanted to show you how easy it was to get some information on financing from our website. Of course, you're going to be on our website at cruisinclassicsinc.com and checking out some cars. You can also even come here if you're just looking or looking elsewhere. That's okay. We have a financial calculator as well. Here's how it's done. Just go to our tabs at the top of our page. You'll see Home Inventory, Sell Your Car, our Performance Center. And then next, of course, is financing. Just give that a click. And on that tab, make sure that you go down and you can see our JJ Best sticker that you'll just want to click on, and just show you how to do this too. We're going to go right at it. So we'll click on the JJ Best, and you'll fill out a very short application, and within just a short amount of time they'll contact you and let you know exactly how you stand. They'll pre-qualify you. You can give them a call. There's an 800 number right there on theirs, on the tab there, that they can give you information and give you personal attention. They do awesome service and very easy to talk to. So that's the first one, JJ Best, and both of these companies are very strong in the industry as far as financing classic cars. The second one being Woodside Credit. Again, all you'd have to do is click that tab. A new window will open and another just small form that you would fill out, even a video, get some information. They have a phone number as well that you can call. And again, they are one of the best in the industry as well. So all you have to do is click on those. It's that simple. Also, just below that, if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see Financing Classic Cars. We have a very, very informative video on the process, how easy it is, what you need to do, what you need to think about. And just next to that also is Insure Classic Cars, a nice video that we have there as well. That will give you a ton of information once you do move forward with your financing on what your move is as far as insurance is concerned. And we'll scroll down just a little bit further, and you will notice the finance calculator. All you have to do is put in the price, the down payment, amount of the loan, the interest rate that you think or even have heard that it's going to be. You can put in your loan terms, however you figure it out as far as months is concerned, and it will give you an estimate of your monthly payment. And you can play along with this. You can kind of figure things out before you even find a car of what you can actually afford and what feels good to you. And just a short little snippet on how easy we make it to get in there and at least get your get some information on financing. And if you do have any questions at any time about this or anything, just please give us a call, 614-276-7355, and let's get you in one of these new cars. Thanks for listening.